Igbo ekenekwe m nwoke kene nwaanyị kene onye ikwu kene onye nta asị m nke onye nchiri ya zere inyi na-ese omire Oji River Enugu State Igbo niile ekene m unu aha m owu na-emeka ireru na chi mana ihe eji mara m riwe akụ echi m na ngalaba Ikorotv TV wee na-ewetara unu ojii ndị Igbo anyị wetara unu ojii ọma o nwere ihe anyị hụrụ na inyi na-ese ihe ewu ihe anyị na-ahụgasị na mba ndị iche iche anyị amaghị na ụdịka ihe dị n'inyi na-ese anyị nọ na nke onye a na-akpọ Chief Hillary Nduwisi Obi nyawu nke eji Ohioo wee mara nyawu Ohioo the farmer anyị bịara ka anyị mee ihe nchọpụta ndị omimi gbasara ọkụkụ ihe nyawu nke ndị oyibo mkpọrọ agriculture ndị Igbo soro nụ ka anyị gaa na nke Ohioo the farmer ka anyị gaa hụ Ohioo the farmer Ohioo the farmer.
Riwako.
Aye kene kwe.
Kene maka.
Ohioo the farmer. Aye kene usa.
You're welcome.
Well sir.
Dal.
Yes.
Orana.
Yeah.
No. Ke one.
How the masa?
Yeah.
Imana otegwa anyị na-anụ maka Ohioo the farmer.
Ohioo the farmer.
Ohioo the farmer. Anyị na-awụgasị ihe na-eme na nke ndị oyibo mkpọrọ social media.
Ya.
Ma nkwụ ma abacha ma ihe ndị iche iche.
Ma ji akọrọ na akpa.
Ma ji akọrọ na akpa.
Yes.
So anyị sị ga mgbe na ndị Igbo si na-ahụ n'anya. Ekwe. Ndị Igbo chukwu na-akọwaruo. Egeruo. Anyị nwa ndị Ikorotv TV anyị sị ka anyị bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka anyị na-o kpa. Anyị chọrọ iji ajụjụ Ohioo the farmer. N'ụwa anyị nọ nwe. Mara onye ọ nọ n'ọzụzụ ahịa buying and selling. Anyị chọrọ ka ị kọwara anyị nji ihe mkpanitere mmụọ ma nji ihe mmere oyibo na-akpọ motivation iji wee bido ọkụkụ ihe.
Yes, I'm very happy because I want everybody to think towards agriculture because ihe niile a na-eme n'ụwa maka ihe a ga-eri ọ dị mkpa. And when I was growing up, my parents wụ ihe a na-eme ha na-eme ihe oil, ha na-eme storage, ha na-ere mmanụ. In fact, all ihe my parents na-eme right from childhood. So mgbe m bịa gaa Lagos, I finished secondary school, ebe m gara akwụkwọ primary school, community primary school Umuagbenyi. After the primary school, I went to Modern Corporation Boys Secondary School Inye. So after then, I have to go to Lagos for business. So and here now so I here Caterpillar Pass and engine equipments. So but my mind all the time into agriculture, especially palm oil, because all here I inherit from parents. So the first investment in me can be through business at Lagos, biaro or email. In buying where you go. The first thing in first morning because all had in my mind. So now 2020 when with coronavirus I have been proscanating like when agriculture. So but what is obvious 2020 during that lockdown everybody was granted no more importation no more, but everybody must eat.
Yes.
So I have to make sure I'm making move because either product connection over here. So I have to move, come down to village. Finally, there's a bido palm plantation. Then I have to go to NIFO, Nigerian Institute of Palm Oil and Research. Come in agriculture and had the main mistake. If you make mistake, you are gone because you know something with a long time investment. So you need to take time, make properly. They have made mistake. So in the NIFO, we have biaro, make palm nursery. So, kodorum easy in the buying influence but unto it. When I started it, we have to grow the palm here. First thing I have to share the palm tree to everybody in this village. I will show you the video. To make them to come in because I'm a here or something be derived from childhood. Anyway, I will show you the nursery because the nursery not here. Or the whole 5 or at the back of this house. Because the nursery, palm nursery. From the palm nursery to the main farm. You understand? So, the point, I will hold you too much. You will see it by yourself. As a farmer,
yes.
When anything under this compound, I will something do eatable. Adamako flower.
Makahi bera anyị ugashi makwe ke
orange. Everything. Swan shop, guava, everything.
Ma avocado.
Avocado. Everything. Avocado is something that we produce here.
Yeah.
So reason I have one daughter, and for the fact that you in Africa, if we see anything in Dubai, I will something with value that when we take go. You understand? Yeah. So that is what I'm encouraging everybody. And I come Jiragba at the back of my house. Yes, I come Jiragba here.
Okay.
So in this compound, you can feed anybody without going out. But vegetable here, like bitter leaf, everything vegetable.
Okay.
We have it here. Manda kola, mama pepe, all of them are here. So why I'm saying this thing, in fact, I'm happy that the Ikorotv visiting today. At least, can we convince Ndini? Let everybody come into this particular venture. Because all you hear marrying.
Yes.
You hear marry Eastern region.
Yes.
When any house your University of Nsoka, I will hope palm oil.
Maka echeteremo onwere egwu na ada agwumgba si na the first African billionaire.
Yes.
Pojuku. No agriculture.
Palm oil.
Okay.
Palm oil. Even the palm oil uncountable.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know now. The best feed for poultry, for piggery and fishery was PKT, pancake cake. That is the waste product which la pancake waste. Now, I be so I be whooped the palm fruit, process the palm fruit.
Yes.
The kernel, it break the kernel, and was the kernel non there. Extract the oil. The cake will feed.
Okay.
The palm kernel oil with the oil this vegetable oil, granite oil.
Yes.
So the red oil. So a lot of things done here. Even the chef now the kukarako. Where you go? Ejaro bread pad. Ejaro a lot of things.
And come ejaro ties.
Ejaro too much.
Okay.
Yeah. So even in the bar is my value.
Okay.
So my own. Ikorotv, I'm an appeal to your establishment. Can every individual come into this, especially in the Oji River? Can when hear the marriage?
Yes.
Because we know Oji River, we here naturally. I want to make a commercial. We're good to go.
Okay.
Which means trailer Ganade, I get tank farm, I get a lot of things. Got put our foreigners and Oji River.
Yes.
So that Enugu State, although like the governor, the Dr. Peter Mba is even talking to every individual come and invest in Enugu State, which we're here for that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Igbo, una no going from Ohioo, the farmer.
Yes.
Anyị na-esu ya ka ogushi anyị n'usoro maka asị na ahụ n'anya ekwe ihe niile o kwuchere here anyị na-esi ya ka ogushi anyị nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ the processes nke ewu ahụ n'anya ekwe maka na anyị nọ na nke Ohioo na-ahụ n'ihu onyonyo ndekwe anyị na ya ogushi anyị n'usoro soro na anyị nwayọ
from the nursery to the farmer.
Yes.
And the processing, the package.
Yes.
So let's go. About wooden nursery.
Okay, the nursery farm.
Oh yes. Or about and also the palm.
Okay.
Before you bring it to the farm. You can see it.
Okay.
So, order. You know, when you want to plant, a lot of people don't know that how you put this line on.
Okay.
You need to remove this line on. You dig a hole, you put it and cover it to this neck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
Yes.
Okay.
So that the root will go down and here will come up. And you press it well. So that cordstone can have either.
Okay.
And you press it very well. Yeah. In 3 years' time, as you see it, it will start.
Ajujumu iya na oto oduna ere oduna. Ndere ona adu ewe wote wetinye na this line. Ona adu ere.
No. O seed. Mkpụrụ akụ.
Okay, mkpụrụ akụ ya. Wee na-emetezi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mkpụrụ akụ ka na-etinye n'ihe a na this nylon. With aja.
Okay.
After 3 weeks.
Okay.
To come up.
Okay, ere ye ndo na on go 3 weeks.
No. It on now, it on 1 year now.
Now this nursery
this time last year came.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No 1 year.
1 year.
Now. So LGA plant the next 3 years, it might go 4 years.
Yes. Okay, after 3
from nursery.
Okay.
From nursery 3 years. You need 3. After nursery.
Okay.
Nursery is 1 year.
1 year, okay.
Plus the 3
3
years, making 4 years.
Yeah, 4 years on me one poro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How long on a nursery? But if not, from now on 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
This Mpuana, on with a species in teacher.
Yeah. Yeah, but in kind specialize Tenera. Yeah, and this product come from NIFO, Nigerian Institute of Palm Oil and Research. Emma, this thing, a lot of fake, a lot of that is a fake, a lot of them. So, but we are going direct to NIFO from Benin. Maybe I can say we take the seedlings.
Okay.
In our plant here. So what we are seeing here is NIFO product.
NIFO product.
Yes.
Man, especially in care or the from kind now buying this normal palm fruit.
Yeah, this one wild palm. This wild palm you can't compare it to this one because this one will improve variety. Okay. I will improve variety with this one. This one, the bunch, the fruiting, you can get 20, can get 18. Less is 15. Okay. Yes. But this our own. Sometimes you get 2 or 3. 2 or 3. And before this our own will start, it will take years. Yes. Before it start. But this one highest 3 years. 3 years. Yeah. But you need maintenance. Okay. You must avoid fire. Now, okay. Okuba already made chairs. So I didn't avoid the oko and the weed. Because have you cover with weed. Okay. And because weed cover all the near stress, it cannot grow. Okay. You know, only the photosynthesis, only the So with that, it will be 3 years is 3 years. You know? It's a good thing. From here, we're going to the farm. Ebe a plant tree. Now we will be the go fruiting. Okay. At this moment, we can go to farm if you still have time or energy. Okay. We can trek to the farm. Okay. So we can drive the. Ibo. Can I go the main cocoa? The main cocoa ma urundo so. Ribako. Let's go to the farm. And this hold on. Okay. Every two days they will come here and they harvest. Okay. And load and come. Okay. They were here yesterday, day before yesterday. Some people are there weeding it. Don't know weed there no. Don't harvest. Okay. So you tell me can since all this season. Okay. You don't know now because they happy for a long time. So I need on a daily basis. Yeah, abanana ba habe na eburu akwu. Eburuga atonukwa. Go before you really end. Ndi nka ana achakwa. Okay. So when they start ana agakwa they will now turn back. Bidokwe na aga. And then about farm 1, I went from 2 and then went from 3. Okay. It's called. But on ishia. All people can care. But go no ka bido. You gotta go this year. No car will this year. Okay. 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 Okay.
abịakwa mkpụrụ akwụ enwekwu ndị iche na
yes emago on add like for next year now it will be bigger than this.
Okay.
So every year it will be adding. Every year will be adding.
Okay.
It will share. Yeah.
Ohioo, imana onwere ihe mbịa uwe mgbe a na-akpọ GMO.
Okay.
Ashina nke GMO nke GMO.
Okay, I know.
Anyị na-achọkwa ka anyị mara.
Yes, this one will improve variety. And not from knife.
Okay.
Knife is all imported.
Okay.
Nigeria we name here. I na-ekwu ihe ndị iche from this one and then cause ega knife for today. And when something is a cover to avoid infection.
Okay.
I want a bean or butterfly from one page to another one or contaminate to go. Or man use that temera.
Okay.
Or miss go breed go. So the only way they do, I get almost something is a cover from the flower. Okay. To the full fruit. You understand me? And I guide there to full fruiting. So that one kind of GMO is not from Nigeria. Okay. They are bringing that one, but it's not our own. Okay. This one you can still even plant it. You understand me? GMO you can't even plant the seed.
About 2-3 years old, or maybe you know GMO. Okay. A
lot of things usually now we improve once. GMO okay. This one is not GMO. Okay. This one is almost the same thing with that one. Only time when I improve all the quicker. Or when you hear the by the color, the taste, and the fruiting. Yeah, no, not. So come, watch. I hold the gap from this one to this one. Okay. You hold the gap from this one to this one. Okay. You watch a gap from this one to this one. You watch how this thing will line by line. So vehicle can go through. Okay. Gap moto. Apart from motor, this gap when I went in the area to do well. If for no man or that struggle. Okay. Or that struggle. Okay. Man with the breeze. Only the ikuku. Only the arm. Only the free. Okay. So that when you can turn around, those breeze are near the area. You can now do well. Although I can't a condition. You can't need the space. Okay. Only the space. So that they watch here when a motor can go. Watch wherever you can go. You turn all like this, you can go. Yes. So or just yeah. So now kita ibu chegbu akwu. You watch kita follow the kwe na put ho. Okay. Ebugu many times this time around. So it an ebu. E no han we ebugu akwu. Ebugu akwu na so ka na ebu e ko na put akwu. Wow. Since this year ebu akwu eba. Am I am a little nada? I will hand out this year. I will on up. Una nke akwunka wo I don't know na we no choro gbaji nka tufu a we gbu ya nke unu na area anya okirikiri una hụ na the nkwụ ọka dị obere na egbu ya akwụ as small as it is ana egbu ya akwụ yeah. Now we only got okirikiri. Yeah, from here to from that side. Okay. To what to eba no hand buku now. Ifre? Oya we ha. So oya in na yokwa wo ka half a metu here because nkwa water more than coal. In fact, nkwa water more than crude oil. Because throughout your life, over 70 years, this nkwa is here. You are harvesting it from years to years. Generation to generation, you know? Yes. Wow. Wow. Let's go.
That General important. Glass dealer, Mike merchandise, electronics dealer. John Piawan, Toyota Crown, Woma, Omego.
Eba will the palm plant or the plantain.
Okay.
Plantation. You understand? It was also the where water because eba is saying with them watch for irrigation.
I want to make pipe on the.
Yes. Eba we get the water from the river, from the stream.
Okay.
Eba can say pump during dry season.
Okay.
So eba need no for plantation. The other side palm tree.
Palm tree.
Yes.
That is the farm 2.
Yeah, farm 2.
Okay.
Farm 2 part of up palm plantation.
Okay.
Down to the river.
Plantain
plantation.
Yeah,
from here, from down to the other side is only plantation.
Plantain. Okay.
Plantation.
Okay. Even plantain.
Yeah, because this is close to the water now. By the stream. So I am arranging this area where my plantain.
Mana ndi yoji wuru also plantain ki mere irrigation maka okachi. What of the palm? Yeah.
Yes, palm survive everything. It almost strength more than plantain.
Okay, man, udi mmiri mana okachi.
Yes. Yes. Only when a lot of taproot and all that survive.
Okay.
But this one, dry season heat about.
Okay.
Emma, this is I want to explain something.
Okay.
Farming is very good. Yeah, but the only problem I find out when all the more very capital intensive, but it's encouraging.
Maka emegwuru m ejo duka ka isi wee kpụrụ anyị gagharị ọ na-adụkwa m ka onye ejighị ego a na-akwa na-emefu ihe ndụ.
Yeah, it's not true. Every time you start small, you grow big. When bidoro ihe a, I didn't start like this. Or maybe from small to you grow. But you know, all I go do to help, assistant from anywhere. So or something that you know make car, you know make also, it diversify.
Okay.
You know something in there make we back into farming, especially cash crop. But when normal monocropping, which is cassava, yam, all those ones, yeah. But I advise young men go more into cash crop. Because once, if you done it once, you are good to go. Like when you plant palm tree, they plant to go. If you plant plantain, watch this plantain now, watch all of them. I caught to go down, and I caught to another one and after. Okay. And I caught, okay, now, yeah, into the now buying from this month to now March, middle of this March now, we start taking the sucker. Middle of May, sorry. We'll start taking the sucker and start planting more. Sucker will be small, the young ones.
Okay, don't go better.
Yeah. Yes, the young ones now put that. My one car but imagine.
Okay.
Imagine how many now.
Okay.
You understand me?
You're
now. Watch this one now.
Wow.
Watch this one. Watch now. You plant one, see the one we plant.
Yes.
How many here now? You understand?
So
you will at least two. Plant another place. Free.
Okay.
So that is how, and we can even sell the suckers.
The suckers, okay.
Yes.
Man, the thing they can
yes.
Okay.
But you plant back here up. Breeze.
Yes. Okay. Interesting.
Yes. So it's a good business, it's a good venture, all the very good. And when husband and Mary you plant.
Oh, just Mary.
Like now, this rainy season, you don't have any problem. So in my like most of all these things, I use a dozer. You know when you use dozer for over 1 month, 2 months to clear a place before you start planting. It's all a very big investment.
Yes.
So I may people encourage, especially from Uji River.
Okay.
In Obule Umago, to start all these people with something. Let's start investing on these things.
Nghọta m n'ikwu ọwụwa iwu na n'ibia mewe ya na nnukwu
big way.
ị nwere ike ibido obere
And you
small
you grow big.
wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You can start with one plot.
One plot, yeah.
Because one plot, because all the spacing can
Yes.
take 12 palm trees.
Palm trees or
One plot.
or plantain.
Or plantain.
Okay.
You can go to plantain. Okay, like here now, this year, I am a plan a acre cocoyam here.
Ede.
Ede.
Okay.
I am plan a cocoyam here. From next week now, we clear it and start planting it.
That can you space.
Yes.
Can I coach the
Ede.
Ede? Okay.
Yes. The plantain, if you know the line by line.
Yes.
Prefer.
Which spacing?
Almost spacing. So that one is okay. But the cocoyam or another.
Yes.
We can disturb here.
Mana Ohioo ashim kan jo dịka plantain nwe.
Ka ị na-aga?
Dịka ọnwa na one ma ahụ nene ka ọ na-eru o wee mee ere.
6 months.
Okay, 6 months.
This plantain is 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah. Oh yeah, mere aji gbani ya mmiri na. Yeah.
Yeah, 6 months o
6
mewe.
months, yes.
Wow.
All done very fast, this one. And then more short one.
Yes.
I watch white. Watch this one is already coming out. Watch this one now. All of them are coming. See it. Watch this line.
Yes.
Okay, here.
Yes.
Oh, may go something. It line now. Watch all the line. If you watch this one. Okay, for no buy here. It was small as it is.
Yes.
You can see it. See it accord.
Wow.
So all these things, when you are not feeding, you are not giving them anything. You understand me?
No, just Mary.
Miracle needed. I just still hold the job.
Yes.
You know how many? Like 6 or 7 suckers. I did remove all those ones. I got plant there.
Okay.
So once you go here, if you buy it once, you don't buy again.
Again.
And then we produce from here. And then I plant more. You understand? So it works. As you are going, you are seeing them. From here to the other side.
Wow. Interesting.
Yeah. So you watch how small they are, but all of them are coming out with something.
Ohioo ịma dịka ihe plantain anyị na-ekwu na ule na akwụ na ya niile ịma na ọwụọ na-ịkọ wishi okwu no
of the cars.
Yes. Njere mmadụ nshi market.
Okay, yeah.
Maka onye nkọrọ ihe na like ka o rekwe o nweta ego.
Exactly. This is a very good question.
Yes, yes.
On my own, I have the processing. I am processing it.
Okay.
I'm processing the palm oil. And you understand me?
Yes.
The plantain is also there processing. The cassava. Emma, you watch here the palm. When you watch the palm, you put cassava there.
Yes.
All those cassava is Ohioo gari, which we are producing gari in a quantity. All from here.
Okay.
So the same thing is applicable to plantain. This plantain you are seeing now.
Okay.
A little time you see it in a powder form.
Okay, powder form.
We'll dry it and we'll grind it and we'll sell it. You understand?
But onye na-ego plantain akwọrọ akwọ na eriwi eri ka
But I didn't see it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I didn't see plantain.
Wow. And all the very healthy.
Very healthy.
Wow.
Very good.
Wow. Yeah.
So that is it. So in me, I want to turn in a productive community.
Community, yes.
Yeah, I need to produce here. The joy you want. You will take the label, the product.
Yes.
Made in
yeah.
Local government. That is the joy.
Wow.
Yeah. You can wear anywhere.
Yes.
Now Lagos, Abuja, Ohioo, Akwa Ibom. Watch the E-Mart in Ohioo. Go there. The supermarket in Enugwu.
That's the EFG Mart.
EFG Mart.
Okay.
Everything is there.
Wow.
Ohioo food.
Food for me.
For me.
Wow.
Go to Lagos. Go to Four Market Square. Everywhere you see the product, and they are giving testimonies because everything is natural. Organic. We didn't add anything. Because the land is fertile. Watch the land. The factor of all those things is the fertile land. If you compare the other one and here, you know that this land is more fertile.
Okay. Yeah.
If you watch how this one is more fertile, but all of them are good.
They are good.
They are good. In fact,
wow.
So we're encouraging people to go into it. The same thing with our governor, Peter Mba, is telling people to go into this. And he's supporting. He's encouraging people to go into agriculture.
Yeah.
Because this is the only thing that can take people away from the streets.
Yes.
Yeah. When you engage people, nobody will have time for crime again.
Yes, yes.
That is the essence of it.
Just like I shiga that first place. I was actually don't know. I do busy.
Here, the same thing.
Yes.
That house, a lot of people are there.
Okay.
Even the house will build the house for the workers.
Okay.
A lot
People
of
are doing engaged now.
every day. Yeah. Even we plant yam here. We plant yam the other side.
Wow. Ajụjụ ọzọ ndukwu oke mkpa wo. Ịma na ikwu maka processing, abacha, gari, all those things. Mana ịmanụ ọwụwa mmadụ niile nwere ikikere ma ọ dị capacity.
Yeah.
I process ma igote ihe niile nwete machine eji eme.
Yeah.
Onye na-akọ ihe nkọrọ plantain ndụrụ akwụ ya niile. Njere osi onye enweghị the capacity. Capital. I process all those things. Onye nwere platform nwere.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the thing is that what we're doing, we are buying it from people.
Okay.
From other people that will know their source. Because I actually contaminate high name. As far as in here, and we know your farm, and we know you are because you are following our footsteps.
Okay.
We will take from you. You understand me?
Okay.
I like it go from there. Because they promote to organic, natural, from our soil.
Okay.
Yeah, we're buying from people that are farming around us because we know their source.
Okay.
Yes, we are taking away from them. So we're encouraging the buying to come. We will buy it. We'll buy it from because the demand is very high. Nigerian market is large, and we are even planning to export. Okay. So based on that, we need many. We need many people to come in. Yeah. So that when we hear Maradi, when we hear Maroji River, when they product is Maroji River. So when many of us batter into the system, and we hear the Marabai, that is the essence of this thing. Okay. Yeah. Money need like Germany, many people are not going anywhere out in their village, and they are billionaires staying in their village or Meoro Adela village. So people don't have any reason to steal the water.
Yes.
We also they make sure and the mad with the and when they know this thing, they can now plant plantain.
Yes.
And we source and we will not buy plantain from them. We buy gari from cassava from them and process it. You understand? Yeah. I will show. We'll go to the factory. You see all of them. Okay. Where we are processing all these things.
Una no go ni Ohioo nkuru na only inwe abacha, more plantain, more akpu. Iyo na Ikorotv.
We buy everything.
Buti ya no na ha na egi.
Yes.
Owo ewu ni inwe machine eji process all those things. So una no go ere oshiwekwu no na ya ka oshiwekwu. Buti ya butere Ohioo yo na inwe Ikorotv. Ingmaha erishi area.
As far as we know, natural, organic, artificial.
Vitaria Ohioo the farmer.
Yeah.
Go for we so know 50 million pieces. Vitaria Ohioo the farmer. All the capable.
We are encouraging them.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Well, this place is very process all those things. The factory.
Okay.
At Omago, but the farm situated at Oble. No Omago back at the factory no. The palm oil. The gari processing, and everything about code. Okay. So everything in packaging. Okay. Everything processing. Okay. This one, it can be peeling. Now you do a cassava, only peel because I'm having no bed today. Okay. So when I get here ready so that you know processes here. But next time you are coming, you see when we are working with it. Okay. Because I may have got it, and we don't know that you are coming. So.
The abacha ishi which
no, all fresh one. A load doing here. Okay, it's more than 1 ton. A load doing abacha they discharge. Okay, mogo. Okay, okay. Yeah, and then gari. You have carry challenges. I got a bacha. Imagine we are bacha. Yes. It takes time. You understand? Okay. So I'm ready. I need to boot the machine. Okay. That can do that.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, all the filler. The filling machine. With this one, you understand? When the thing is filled here, you cannot bottle it through the tap.
Oh, the red oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
You fill here. About 275. That 300 liters.
Liters.
Yeah.
Okay. Abonyang manuka.
Yeah.
Was it not when you're
Because we feed us. Only feed, yeah, and we have just from that processing,
Okay.
feel, yeah, I bottle them because when we feed,
Okay.
and the tons, and all the heat here.
Okay.
So they,
Now, they finish.
yeah, they finish. This is the sample. You understand me? Or the sample of Ohioo oil.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ohioo palm oil, natural.
Exactly. Direct from farm, which you go. The farm you went is this.
Now, can you issue a guy?
Yeah,
Those palm tree, then they finish product. Ohioo palm oil. No more. Abojieze. Umweje road abo Umuagu in Ohioo, Enugu State. So Ohioo palm oil, natural.
Exactly.
Natural palm oil. Oh, then I hear you gonna most supermarkets. Or do you go to Robusto?
Any moment from now, they will have it there.
In Robusto.
Yeah.
So based on buying on affirmation or the EFG Mart.
Yes.
Which other supermarket? For market days.
For market days, and the boom. That the one in Ogun State near the Emily restaurant.
Emily restaurant.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The thing as time goes on.
Yeah.
And it's spread out to many supermarkets.
Market. Yeah.
Ohioo, I need to know for
Of course.
Ohioo palm oil.
Yeah.
Wow. No preservative.
Nothing.
No color.
Natural
palm oil. So you gonna most supermarkets
in Enugu
and Lagos. In Ohioo palm oil.
Yeah.
And we put Ohioo gari.
Yeah.
And other things.
Yeah. Thank you. So cool. Okay, here is where we keep about the finished product.
Okay. Wow. Ohioo gari.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the samples.
4 kg.
No, 4 kg.
Yeah, they are 4 kg.
Yeah, 4 kg.
4 kg. And with different sizes.
And with sizes, some with 4 kg, and with 2 kg, and with 1 kg.
Okay.
Okay, I'll label on them.
Okay. Okay.
Gari.
Okay. White gari.
White gari. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Red.
Yeah. Other samples.
These are samples.
Yeah.
Ohioo gari. Natural.
If I produce, we shift to Lagos, shift to supermarket, we don't keep.
Wow. How will we gari a package like this? They are very, neat. So okay, we packaged gari.
Yeah.
Chicken breast of West Africa.
Cabana de Roma.
Mike merchandise, electronics dealer. John Anyeye, Piawanem. Anyeye Toyota Crown.
Bobby Bekene Moon, Amu, the Chinoso,
Amu bụ Igboeze Chinemere.
Amu Ikechibike,
Na-ekiri Ikorotv
TV
maka ihe gbasara
omenala na ọdịnala Igbo.